Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to view screenshots inside Hubstaff, step by step. First, look at the left-hand menu and scroll down a little. Find Activity, then click the small arrow next to it to expand the options. From the list, select Screenshots. It should be the very first option under Activity. Once you're on the Screenshots page, look at the top section. By default, Hubstaff shows screenshots taken every 10 minutes, along with activity details below. But to see all screenshots more clearly, click the tab at the top that says All Screenshots. This is where you'll find every screenshot Hubstaff has captured for your team members. In my case, there aren't any screenshots, but in your account, if screenshots have been recorded, they'll appear right here. And that's all you need to do to view screenshots on Hubstaff. If this video helped you out, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.